Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name of course is Dorian. I'm here with my friend Chelsea. Hey girl, how you doing?
How are you?
I'm good. So today on 5-Minute Fridays, we're going to do something that is really super simple. So it's happened to everybody where we are somewhere, we don't have any makeup on, well, maybe not me, but but you get to, let's say, your kid's school and the teacher needs to talk to you. You've been running errands all day and you look a little homeless. You need a quick touch-up. So I'm going to show you 5 products that you can keep in your car at all times or in your purse in a little makeup bag that you can pull out anytime and give yourself a quick little makeover. Let's get started.
Okay.
First product I want to show you is the Touche Éclat from YSL. This is something that you can definitely use in a pinch underneath the eyes or anywhere that you want to have any extra brightness. So underneath the eyes, we're going to go swipe, swipe, swipe.
It's like we're on a dating app.
Yes, swipe to the left. Right around the nose. I like to go right up the bridge into the forehead area, over the lip, under the lip, and down the chin. So this is basically just going to highlight and give a little bit of coverage. This is not something that you need a whole bunch of brushes for, so you're just going to use your fingers and pat, pat, pat. And now that we have it all blended and she's looking super fabulous already, we're going to grab the Tom Ford Shaded Illuminate stick. Now you can use any stick that is kind of double-sided. I love this one because it gives you the opportunity of using a cheek color and a bronzy highlighting color. It was going to give you a sun-kissed look without making you look too overdone. Watch. Now that we have that all taken care of, you're going to grab a crayon like this, eyeshadow crayon from Laura Mercier. Goes on super smooth. You're just going to brush it along the lash line. And with your favorite tool, your little finger right here, you're just going to help to blend that up into the crease. Now that we have that all blended in with our fingers, never using a brush, I like using the mascara from Estee Lauder. It's just a really beautiful formula, gives you really beautiful lashes without making it look too done up. Let's get started.
Is that sumptuous?
This is sumptuous.
I love sumptuous.
Now that we have that mascara on and it looks beautiful. So all we've done really is a little concealer, whatever concealer you want to use. I really love the Touche Éclat from YSL. We put a little bit of cheek color on her with that 2-in-1 from Tom Ford, a little bit of cheek color with a little bit of bronzy highlight. I added in a little bit of mascara, and now to finish the look off, I have this really cute gloss from Trish McEvoy. It has an SPF 15, a little bit of glitter in there is really going to help to brighten up this whole look. And again, no need to have a brush in your car for anything. You're literally just going to get this on your lips, and they look nice and juicy. Juicy lips, that's what we want. Go ahead and blot,
with the sounds.
You have to make the sound. And now no matter where you're going, you always have 5 products that are going to make you look like a rock star. Hey!
Hey, thank you.
5-Minute Fridays. Stay tuned next week for more. Have a good one, guys. Bye.